Hey, what's up, guys? Anyway, I would just like to thank you guys for all your support for my channel. I have 10K now subscriber. So, thank you again for supporting my channel. And thank you to my friend and my followers that gave me the videos to congratulate me for being 10K, and here they are.
So guys, bien balasa here. Babatiin ko lang po ng 10,000 subscriber ang ating isang whitey friend na walang iba kundi si Dino Cadano. Yan, palakpakan po natin. Bro Dino, sana ay tuloy-tuloy lang at huwag tayong magsasawa kagaya nung dati. Tuloy-tuloy lang and more power and God bless. Good luck.
Hello guys, ito nga pala si tropa ni MB. Ayan. Nandito po tayo para bumati kay Brother Dino Cadano. Ayan, sa ating kapatid sa YT, sa kanyang 10,000 subscriber. Ayan, congratulations Bro Dino from MB.
Congratulations Dino, the Filipino vlogger, for reaching 10K subscriber. Keep it going.
Hello guys, yan, I just wanna to congratulate my kuya, si Kuya Dino, all the way from Canada. Yan, aking friend sa YouTube. A good friend of mine, Kuya Dino Cadano. Dino, the Filipino vlogger. Yan. Yan. Congratulations kuya for reaching 10,000 subscribers. Sana all. So yun kuya, congratulations and thank you for being a good friend. Yan. Sana malayo pa, dumami pa yung subscribers mo. Sana pag 1 million or more than pa. Yeah. Para mas malaki i-celebrate natin, di ba? And yun, alam ko naman masipag ka mag-upload eh. Lagi yung i-upload dyan si Kuya Dino. So, congratulations and I'm always here to support you. Alam mo naman yun. And thank you for being a good friend. And sana magkita ulit tayo one day. Uwi tayo ulit sa inyo. I miss you kuya. I miss you. And sa mga friend natin sa YouTube guys, baka hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe kay Kuya Dino Cadano. Ayan. Napakabait na tao. Congratulations kuya. Ingat lagi dyan. And God bless. And congratulations once again. Yahoo! Sana all. Grazie kuya.
Hello, Dino, the Filipino vlogger. Happy 10th K subscribers. Wow, congratulations.
Hello guys! It's me. Ngayon guys, meron tayong i-congratulate na isa kong kaibigan sa YT. Parang kapatid. Yan, si Brad Dino, the Filipino vlogger. And belated pala, happy birthday din pala sa'yo. Double celebration ka ngayon. Congrats na nabuo mo na yung 10K. Boom! 10K subscribers. Wow! Sana all. Deserve mo naman yan kasi masipag kang mag-premiere, mag-short video. Pero wala lang live ngayon. Premiere na lang. Diba? Salamat Brad sa mga support mo lagi sa akin. Sa mga nag-replay, minsan nag-replay ka sa mga videos ko. Thank you so much and ingat kayo lagi dyan. Sana lalago pa yung channel mo hanggang gusto mo. And sana makita tayo sa Pinas. Okay? Ingat kayo dyan at congratulations! Happy 10K subscribe! Bye!
Hello, Boss Dino. Congratulations! 10K ka na. 10K subscribers. Ang sipag mo, Boss Dino. Ang sipag mo kaya. Sana all. Ang sipag mong isda. Thank you so much, Boss Dino, the Filipino vlogger. Dino, the Filipino vlogger. Thank you so much sa support din. Sa support. Thank you at nakilala kita sa White Word. Bro, Boss Dino, thank you so much. Congratulations. Sana maging 1 million subscribers tayo. Tsaga lang, malay natin, di ba? Tsaga lang. Konting tis. Tsaga sa pag-YT. Upload lang ng upload. At mag-live ng mag-live. Thank you so much, Boss Dino. Congratulations. Again, 10K subscribers. More come, more blessing and more power to your channel and more subscribers. Thank you so much. Edit mo na lang ito. Sobrang init dito sa Pinas. Bye-bye. Thank you, Boss Dino. Kala ko birthday mo pala. Inulit ko ulit.
Hi, Kuya Dino! Good morning! So, ayan, nandito ako sa channel mo. So, sorry na late yung greetings ko sa'yo, ha? So, I would like to say, congratulations sa'yo, Kuya Dino, kasi umabot ka na ng 10K subscribers plus. O, diba? Plus, may plus na kasi I know, meron ng 10K subscribers, more than 10K subscribers na meron ikaw ngayon. So, ayan. Congratulations sa'yo, Kuya, at sana dumami pa yung mga subscribers mo, gaya ni Ate G, Vlog Fun. Yes, hello, Ate G. Shout out. So, ayan, na-shout out ko na. Shout out, Team YBG, Team Halo Halo. Shout out. Yan. Sana magkaroon din ako ng 10K subscribers si Kuya Dino. So, ayan, kunting kimbot na lang, maaabot na ako ng 10K subscribers. At susunod talaga ako sa inyo mga kuya ko, mga best kuya ko dito sa YouTube. Ayan, so continue upload your recipe, Kuya Dino, kasi gusto kong panoorin yun kahit bisag naglaway na ako sa mga sudan, kuya. Kaso, tama naging ko sa tanan. So, ayan. So, before our last, congratulations, Kuya. And again, congratulations and enjoy vlogging. Bye-bye.
Hello, Dino! Ayan, Dino the Filipino vlogger. Ayan, 10K subscriber ka na. Wow naman. Kailan kaya namin matitikman yung mga niluluto mo? Anyway, ayan. So, magkakasabay tayong nagsimula sa YouTube world. And I'm so happy na hanggang ngayon magkaka-friendship pa rin tayo. Basta huwag mo akong kalimutang invite kapag may 100K subscriber ka na ulit. Ayan. Thank you sa'yo. Ayun lang. More power. God bless. At saka, ayan. Short and sweet lang tong message ko. Sana makahabol pa. Bye!
Hi, Brad Dino. Hi, everyone. I would like to congratulate Dino Cadano, my Brad, my kababayan, and our founder of uVlog Global YBG team. Congratulations for 10,000K subscribers, and wish you all the best. More subscriber, and thanks so much, Brad, for always supporting my channel too, kahit na maliit na channel lang ako, but you're always there supporting me. So congratulations, and more vlog, more videos, and more cooking. And thanks for sharing your recipe and menu, and we really love your content. So, continue lang tayo. And, again, congratulations. God bless, Brad. Dino Cadano. And, don't forget to subscribe also my YouTube channels, Naums Nas Flavor. Bye!
Alright guys, again, thank you so much for you guys' amazing support for my channel. Dino the Filipino Vloggers. That's why I hit 10,000 subscribers just because of you guys. And thank you for liking my vlog. I know my vlog is cooking, ventures, and fishing. And those three are the ones that I always vlog. So anyway, again, thank you so much.